Okay, currencies. If we start with the US dollar, so I'm still looking for this to push up higher. I think off the 4, we've now got an A, B in, 1, 2. The 2 can come down a bit further, but then I'm looking for the rest of this C wave up. Ideal target 97.55 to 97.90 to finish this larger degree wave 1 up in the US dollar, and then the reciprocal in the euro that I've got a 1 down. I'm not sure whether we've got the 2 in here, this 2 at the 50% retrace, and I've got a 1, 2. So I'm looking for this to either pop up one more time, in which case the B wave is not in the US dollar as yet, or take this out at 114.32 down here, in which case we're already in the 3 down in the euro. So it'd be this 3, then we get a 4, 5 to finish its larger degree wave 1 down in the euro before we start the larger retrace up. Now cable is coming down this morning deeper than it should have done. When I put the chart out, I thought this 2 was in 129.59. If we take that out and then 129.21, then it means that this count is going to invalidate in the short term or on the shorter time frames, and that this wave 2 is not in yet. It's going to come deeper against this B wave. The other alternative is that the B wave itself is not in, and that we've got an A, B, and we're going to come deeper against this here. But I do think we still need higher. We only hit the 38.2 retrace here for the A wave. We can have had a shallow 2 in cable, but I think it would look better if we can get up to at least this 618 retrace for the 2 before we start a much bigger move to the downside in cable. So if I just show you what I'm looking for on the daily chart. So I've got this 1, I'm looking at that as the A of this 2, B, C is what I'm looking for before we start this 3 down to a lot lower in cable. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen, I'm still looking for this 115.06, and we've pushed up again this morning. So the next level we need to take out is 113.40 in the US dollar, Japanese yen, but that's pushing ahead nicely. I think we've got a 1-2-1-2 in the making of this C wave potentially in US dollar, Japanese yen. I want to see it stay above 111.92 from here on in and push higher. And the Australian dollar is still just faffing around here in some kind of B or 4th before we drop down to the target. So nothing doing there.